Unhinged Expressions. Exploring drop jaws in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the expression that can symbolize astonishment without a single word: drop jaws. Whether you've encountered it in a book, a movie, or a casual conversation, understanding this phrase will add a fascinating layer to your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in and get our jaws, well, metaphorically dropping. The phrase, drop jaws, or jaw-dropping, is a figurative expression used to describe extreme surprise, shock, or amazement. When something is so astonishing, it's as if people's jaws drop open in wonder or disbelief. It's not a literal action but a vivid way to express that someone is so stunned that they could, quite literally, have their mouth hanging open. While the exact origin of drop jaws is not clear, it is rooted in the physical reaction to shock or surprise. Throughout history, expressions have been developed from observable human behavior. When we see or hear something unexpected, our mouths might fall open involuntarily. This universal body language has been encapsulated in the phrase, drop jaws. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in real-life situations. In reaction to a surprise, when she walked in with a celebrity, it was a jaw-dropping moment for everyone. Describing a performance, the magician's act was so extraordinary that it left the audience with their jaws dropped. Talking about a view or scene, the view from the mountain peak is simply jaw-dropping. Notice how the phrase can be adapted as jaw-dropping for describing things, and jaws dropped when talking about people's reactions. It's easy to misuse idiomatic expressions, so here are a few things to keep in mind. Don't take it literally. It's a figure of speech, not a literal action to be described. Context is key. Use it to describe something truly surprising or impressive. It's not suitable for mild or expected scenarios. Adjective or verb. Remember, jaw-dropping is an adjective, and jaws dropped is the verb phrase. Don't confuse the two. We hope this exploration of the phrase, drop jaws, has been as enlightening for you as it was exciting for us to share. Next time you encounter something truly astonishing, you'll have the perfect expression to describe your experience. Keep practicing, keep learning, and may your language journey be filled with jaw-dropping moments. Until next time, keep your curiosity high and your fear of making mistakes low.